Hello everyone, in this video we quickly would like to share what we find in the MAZDA TRIBUTE in 6 right hand side in Australia. We never done this car before, and now we come to something very interesting. Look at this reverse power for the reverse camera. This is the reverse light, and we are testing, so you see it's a bit messy, but we will finish and wrap up nicely later. At first we run into trouble that the power for the reverse light constantly on. We didn't know why, and we tried over and we found that both of the wire, they have positive power on all time, and this car when reverse it will turn this wire, the black strip and white color on, into the negative. So this car is negative reverse light. And what you have to do is you have to connect a relay, a relay to turn this negative power into the trigger for the relay, and then get the power from here, the positive light, into the power and go into the reverse feeding power. Without relay you cannot do the reverse power trigger for this car properly. That's so interesting because this is the first ever car that we have done with the negative trigger power so far. So thanks again, and see you on the next one.